guys, I hope you are all doing well. It is Sunday. There is a storm passing through right now. I had plans today to go to the studio, but it was just, this is too much. And the lights are flickering. I'm scared there might be a power outage. But since I'm here at home, I'm just hanging out. I'm gonna film a TikTok, upload this video, Chris, but I am going to do my makeup. So I just got out of the shower. I have a bare face, so I'm going to apply my airbrush flawless setting flawless setting spray from Charlotte Tilbury. And of course I'm going to use my favorite sponge from Sonia Cushion, I believe, and just settle that in. This is like my favorite sponge, beauty sponge. So I'm gonna use my Charlotte Tilbury bronzer to put in the crease. You guys, who's that actor? What's his name? Will Powder? I forgot his name, but I'll put like a picture of him. Everyone is going crazy over his glow up. I remember seeing him in films growing not too far before. Like I remember seeing him. I never really thought much about him, but I was like, he has a very expressive face and his eyebrows are very expressive. I was aware of him, but I didn't follow him. But my god, did you see the glow up? He looks fantastic. Like, he looks great. And now everyone's going goo goo gaga over him. He's really handsome, I'll say that. 6'3", tall, and he has like a very beautiful accent. He is very cute, I'll say that. Okay, maybe I went a little too ham on the bronzer, but don't worry, we're gonna fix it. Don't panic, we're gonna fix it. And this is so random, but I'm gonna use my favorite Huda Beauty palette. It is the Rose Gold palette remastered. Like, again, I got the desert one coming very soon. Did you know that Sigma Beauty is now a part of Target? I'm shook to the core. Shook to the core. I was like, are you serious? This is interesting. It's getting interesting around here. So I'm gonna use the henna color right here for my outer part. I'm just so excited for the Huda Beauty palette. The rose quartz one. I'm just ecstatic. All right, let me know if you guys are gonna purchase it. So from the center lid, I'm gonna put Dubai. I forgot to post my TikTok here. If you're new to my channel, I also play guitar. I have a guitar channel. So yeah, I'm very passionate about music, and I'm also passionate about beauty because I love colors. I love anything in the realm of creativity. I'm just like for, and I love it so much. And yeah, I do this, and I love doing my makeup. I'm a big makeup lover, so I'm gonna post my TikTok here. If you're on TikTok and you want to follow me and you like guitar, I'll post it here. So yeah, I know that's so random, but yeah, I love a lot of things. I'm passionate about a lot of things, and I have it's weird because I feel like TikTok people, you grow faster there on TikTok than on like Instagram and YouTube, and I've gained more followers on TikTok than like and I've been on, mind you, I've been on Instagram for a while and YouTube. But you know, either way, it's a blessing and I'm very happy. So next shade, I'm gonna do something a little different. I think I'm gonna add a little bit of 24 karat. You guys, I watched that rose quartz video like 3 times. That's how excited I am for the palette. I'm gonna put it on top of Dubai to add a little bit of shine. This storm is out of control, I'm telling you. So I'm gonna add that on top. You guys, I'm so nervous. The lights are flickering. The storm's passing till Monday and I was like, oh my god. So I took off the powder, setting powder. So now I'm gonna go on my Charlotte Tilbury bronzer and I'm gonna bronze my face. As you know, this is my favorite bronzer. This retails for $50. Where I'm at, I don't know where you it's different. I guess for US it's 55. But again, hey, if you guys didn't know, I was at Sephora. As you could remember from my last video, I was at Sephora and they're gonna have their annual sale soon, like in November. I have this sheet right in front of me. Let me read it for you guys. So the holiday savings event starts for Rouge members. It's 20% off for their purchase. It's from November 5th through the 11/15. So Rouge members, which I'm a Rouge member, I don't know, I hope you guys are, to save money, you know, and buy gifts. It is 20% off and you guys get early access. So it's November 5th to November 15th. VIB members are November 9th through 11/15. And insiders get 10% off from 11/11 to 11/15. And also 30% off all Sephora collections from 11/5 to 11/15. No code needed. Good luck on that, y'all. I hope you guys get what you need. I'm likely just gonna restock on a lot of items. My Giselle oil's gone. That's like my favorite hair oil. And don't worry, y'all, I know I'm going ham on the bronzer, but I'm gonna clean that up in a second. And this fan brush is from Juvia's Place, just a FYI. Don't worry, y'all, I'm gonna make it make sense. So I'm gonna go ahead and I wanna do something a little different. I'm gonna use Pink Diamond with the combination of Rose Gold. I hope you're all doing well, staying safe, staying blessed. I'm so looking forward to going to Sephora and buying all my needs. So I'm going to use the Huda Beauty Legit lashes. I would say this product wasn't my favorite because it didn't really do anything for my lashes. And mascara is like one of the hardest things for me to finding the best mascara for me is pretty challenging. I would say my favorite one would have to be Lancome and Too Faced mascara, because it's really good. But for this video, I'm just gonna try to see what happens. Everyone who wore it has like long lashes though. I don't have long lashes, so I'm just gonna go ahead and apply that. So this is everything so far, and all I have to do now is do my hair because I came out of the shower, and just put in a bun, put earrings on, and yeah, give me just a second and I will be right back. Alright you guys, so this is the finished look. I'm gonna be filming today for my TikTok. I will link it here, and it is a storm outside, you guys. The lights are flickering and I'm just like worried there's gonna be a power outage. Well, anyways, I will see you guys soon with some new items. I am so excited for the Huda Beauty Rose Quartz palette. I will be purchasing that. And thank you for all the new subscribers. I appreciate that. I just want this place to be where we could kick it, hang out, and talk makeup. I know I don't talk a lot, but I love makeup and I love colors. I just love colors. They're so pretty. Anyways, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.